fellow composers, and welcome to the Compose and Cook. So we are going to carry on with my little side dishes that go with my Greek Cypriot gyro or
flavoured chicken.
Flavoured chicken, okay? So I'm going to be making for you a Greek salad. Right, to begin with, I'm going to take a cucumber. Again, this is one that Aaron grew in the garden, not quite as big as one I used for the tzatziki.
Different type.
Recipe up here. Yeah, different. Oh, is that what it is? A different type, is it? Okay. So effectively, if you're buying a cucumber, just use about half a cucumber. So with a cucumber, you basically want to cut it into roughly 1 centimetre cubes. Bear in mind, I'm going to be using it for the chicken gyro, so it needs to go in the wrap. So I don't want them to be too chunky, but if you're making this, just have it as a salad, you can make it chunkier. Okay, that's your cucumber cut. To that, I'm going to add about 200 grams cherry tomatoes. Again, look, Aaron grew them in the garden. Different sizes. And look, they're not perfect. Look at that one. Yeah, that's what happens when you grow stuff in the garden. It's not all perfect, but the taste is amazing. That's the important thing. So cut them, that's quite small, so I'll leave it as it is. I'm going to cut the slightly bigger ones into quarters. Okay, that's the tomatoes done. I'm also going to add to that, I've got 75 grams black pitted olives, which can go straight in. I've cut them in half as well. And we've got a whole red onion here. Again, I want it to be chunky-ish. While I've got your attention, people, what must you remember to do? Aaron, what must my fellow composers remember to do?
Wash their hands.
Wash their hands and...
click like, subscribe, something along those lines.
And hit the bell notification button.
Oh yeah, that.
That's the one. See how I'm cutting the onion? I might just use half actually. Now the amounts I'm giving you, they're just my approximations. Just get what you want, throw it in, okay? It's
Depends
fine.
on how many people you're feeding.
Exactly. I mean, this should feed about 4 to 6 people, I reckon. There we go, half of an onion. If you want to put the whole in, you can do, it's up to you. Now, feta cheese, I've got approximately 200 grams of feta cheese, which I'm going to cut into chunks. Again, 1 centimetre cubes. Right, before I throw the feta in, I'm actually going to dress it, because when I mix it with my hands, I don't want the feta to break up. I don't mind it breaking up a bit, but I just want to keep it as chunky as I can. Okay, so to the salad, I'm going to add approximately 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Just eyeball it, that'll do, perfect. Juice of half a lemon.
Without the pips.
Without the pips. I'm sure I've eaten some lemon pips in my past. Hence why I'm so bitter. A good grinding of salt. A good grinding of pepper. And roughly 1 teaspoon cider vinegar or white wine vinegar. And some dried oregano. Roughly 1 teaspoon. There we go. I'm going to give that a mix. I'm going to now add most of the feta. I'm going to leave a little bit out because I want to put it on the top. There we go. Just give that a gentle mix.
Gentle toss.
A gentle toss, like so. Doesn't that look nice and colourful? Aaron, can you put a little bit more oregano in that for me? This is what you do, right? Just eyeball it. I want a little bit more oregano, I think. Yeah, that'll do. Was that really worth it? Yeah, probably. It makes all the difference.
It's slightly hard doing it left-handed when I'm holding the camera.
That's perfect anyway. Okay, now let's transfer it into our bowl. There we go. How pretty does that look? Now, with the... I'm going to just put the... feta around. To that, I'm now going to add a glug of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil on top. Like so. and some oregano. A good grinding of black pepper. There you go. There's your Greek salad. Doesn't that look very summery and very colourful and very, very tasty?
Uh-huh.
My lovely, refreshing, colourful Greek salad. Make it, enjoy it, cherish every mouthful. See you soon. Lots of love.
You're like a raw emotion, baby. Reveal the inner child is closer, maybe. It's real. Sinking in to haze the feeling you flow. The smile